Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, December 3rd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I called the Dow up for today, and I could not have been more wrong. It did not exactly go up. The Dow fell 252 points today, which means it has a cumulative fall in the last 2 days of over 400 points. A pretty big sell-off there. All I can say is, we've actually, if you add everything up and subtract everything, we actually have a net positive balance for what's happened the last 2 days. So if we can break even or just make a little bit of money when the Dow sells off over 400 points, we're really doing well. And I'm not at all discouraged about this. I'm hoping, and what I hope doesn't mean is going to happen. I'd actually like to see a little sideways action tomorrow, and then maybe a big buy-up session on Monday. That would really set us up nicely. Don't know if that's going to happen, but I do think that this sell-off is done with. We're either going to see sideways or up tomorrow. We'll just have to wait and see, find out what's going to happen. Anyway, we actually closed out positive $532 on our closeout trades today, but we are carrying a negative 4,000 going into tomorrow. But given the, as I say, the severity of this sell-off in the last 2 days, I think our damage is really very minimal. So I'm pretty pleased about that. Hey, I really only have one trade to show you, but it's a beauty, and it's the reason why we got through this without any serious damage at all. This is Solar City, and it just doesn't get any better than this. 2 days ago, we bought Solar City here about the second hour. Yesterday, this thing pops up. It gives us nearly $5,000 in profits. Then we get a re-entry, and there's not much distance between where we got out, where we got back in. It goes against us. Looks just so on the close yesterday. It does another huge pop-up, and look at this. We get out almost another $5,000, and look where we get out there. We're getting absolutely the top of that move. Beautiful trade. Almost $10,000 out of those 2 trades in only 3 days. So this was just a fabulous trade in Solar City, and this is what kept our head above water throughout this big sell-off. Anyway, I'm pretty happy actually, and I'm looking forward to all the money we're going to make when this thing turns up in a day or two. Now, this is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Friday.